Hello guys, I'm a content creator. We're same and I'm a YouTuber and please sub me and you.
And he's my friend. He's a new YouTuber. I'm a YouTuber with 78 subs. My goal is 1,000 subs. That's what I only want. So we can I'll make a membership for other people. Maybe make it for free or anything. But you help support my friend. What do you call this? Edward. He's trying his best to make full-time content every single day. So we'll be having a collab, which is gonna be Roblox actually. So for this collab, we're gonna be playing Blox Fruits. So he will actually post the video on his end, like he recorded it on the first. Then I'll record my end so we can send it to YouTube. Thank you for watching. See you all. Bye bye.